Hello everyone. Today we're talking about joint restore gummies on the DAEC Reviews channel. We've prepared a comprehensive review video covering everything you need to know before buying joint restore gummies. Stay tuned for important alerts throughout the video to ensure you avoid mistakes when using or purchasing joint restore gummies. The first thing to note about joint restore gummies is to be cautious about where you buy them, as they're only sold on the official website. For your convenience, the link to the official site is provided in the video description below. Joint restore gummies are indeed effective. After extensive laboratory tests, researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that yield excellent results. This delicious knee support formula combines 20 milligrams of CBD, 200 milligrams of beta-boswellic acid, and just 3 grams of organic cane sugar per gummy, making it a delightful addition to your daily routine. Trust in this product is well-founded, as evidenced by numerous testimonials from satisfied customers on the official website. However, it's crucial to understand that individual results may vary. When it comes to guarantees and usage instructions, it's essential to note that you can test joint restore gummies for 60 days, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, a money-back guarantee is provided. To experience the full benefits, consistency is key. Simply chew 1 or 2 joint restore gummies daily to see optimal results. Remember, patience is key as results may become evident after consistent use over 2 months. It's reassuring to know that joint restore gummies have no side effects due to their natural composition. In conclusion, this video serves as a reminder to exercise caution when purchasing joint restore gummies and emphasizes the importance of commitment to the treatment regimen. Your unique biology may yield different results, but we genuinely hope that joint restore gummies will significantly improve your life, as it has for many others. Remember to check the official product website for more information. If you enjoyed this content and want more, subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Thank you for watching. Until next time.